What material handling system would you choose to solve these challenges and to save your company upwards of $1 million over the next 10 years? In one scenario, the product is bulky and it requires handling at operator working height. It must remain scratch-free for a high-gloss final finish. In another scenario, the conveyor system must endure the hot and abrasive atmosphere of a casting plant. In a third, the operation needs to have 10 minutes of storage buffer before dropping down 20 feet below storage level for loading into a welding cell. The system? Bridgeveyor overhead conveyors. The first step in establishing our benefit to your company is to verify that you are looking for a conveyor in the medium capacity range. Then we look for wasted ceiling space to demonstrate how our overhead system will save money by increasing production, reducing maintenance costs, and freeing up valuable floor space for other uses. Our experience, gained from many decades, is that a typical installation can save between $0.5 and $1 million over 10 years. But saving money is not enough. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how our systems are easy to design, quick to install, and run for decades with minimal maintenance. "30 years ago, industry needed an overhead conveyor system with flexible design. Our system was created to meet that challenge. Our installations now span the globe: Thailand, China, Singapore, Fiji Islands, Russia, Belgium, Israel, Hungary, Ireland, UK, Canada, and the United States. Built to endure the most demanding situations, some of our conveyor systems travel through the caustic atmosphere of acid baths, the humidity of part washers, and the intense heat of paint baking ovens. Many of our systems carry the heavy weight of automotive parts. Our machined steel chain bearings and chain components are all heat treated to handle this load without breakdown. This system operates in a highly abrasive atmosphere where track lubrication is severely limited, yet the original chain provided 15 years of trouble-free service. Our system can follow virtually any path. It may start at load level, rise to the ceiling at a 45-degree incline, and travel overhead for any distance before declining back to ground level. It may be supported by a combination of floor stands and ceiling supports. It might loop through a 180-degree curve that occupies just 18 inches without the need of a sprocket wheel. Let the competition try that. Our system is reversible and variable in speed. It can be configured to run up to 60 feet per minute, faster than most installations need to run. In today's changing world, flexibility is a must. Our system permits sections to be added, subtracted, or reconfigured to any shape quickly because of our modular, bolt-together design. In fact, because of our design consistency through many improvements over the decades, the original parts are still interchangeable. You can be assured that your installation will not become obsolete. Our system consists of a series of 1.9-inch diameter round, zinc-plated, roll-formed, pre-flanged steel track sections. Its wall is 1/8 inch thick. All curves are heat-treated to RC60 hardness for wear resistance. There are no painted parts to scratch or chip. The chain is zinc-plated and comes in 10-foot lengths. It is pre-stretched in our factory. The links are factory riveted. Each pendant is 55-pound rated and assembled every 6 inches for greater loading flexibility. The use of a standard dual pendant load bar increases unit load capacity to 110 pounds. Our unique D500 inline drive unit can be located on any straight section of track. Multiple drive units can be installed to increase the length of the system. This is the perfect solution for the growing number of mega-sized distribution warehouses and another example of how our unique features make it the best in the industry. The final crucial element of our low-maintenance design is the TU600 take-up assembly. By permitting an easy adjustment of chain tension, a major contributor to system breakdown is eliminated. It is available in screw, spring, or pneumatic design. Increasingly, health and safety engineers are concerned about noise and ergonomics. The design features save steps and reduce repetitive motion by bringing the product to be handled right to the worker. Compare the difference in noise levels between the competition and our system. The conveyor track and curves enclose the chain. Pinch points are minimized and no guarding is required at operator working level. The track slot is 1/3 the width of the competition, again increasing the safety factor and decreasing noise and contamination. The chain drive in the drive unit is enclosed, a crucial safety factor. To make customers happy, as we have done for decades, a new system must go in quickly and be up and running on time and on budget. After the plans have been drawn up, the parts leave our plant crated and ready for your own crew to assemble. Every last bolt, hanger, and track you need is included. All you provide is the coffee and the donuts. In critical situations, no welding is done on site. Typically, however, around forklift traffic and heavy loading zones, tack welding of conveyor track to track hangers is done. To accommodate your changing needs, most parts are kept in stock. Because of our reliability, the retail and entertainment industries are a growing part of our business. Hollywood producers, whose costs also run into thousands of dollars per hour, depend on us.
There's going to be a lot more gifts to wrap this Christmas, so this family built an assembly line, and everyone's getting in on the act.
It comes through here, and the whole concept is one of continuous and efficient production. And we down to the head up, hot, cook, hey, shabu, postman, do it works. Of course it works.
A further indication of our quality and dependability is our ISO 9001. The final benefit of our patented overhead conveyor system that we will take time to show you is the DS975 Dust Shield. This uniquely designed catch tray will collect any tiny amounts of debris or lubrication which might fall from any overhead conveyor system. Now that you have seen how we have been increasing profits for other companies for decades, we want to show you how our system will pay for itself in the first year, leaving you many years of increased profits. A site visit can be arranged. As well, we will demonstrate the handling of your parts at our test facility. Talk to a representative today so that your company can start a cost-saving relationship with us that will last for decades.